All right, so Walmart has these Power Steel swimming pools, and I'm just going over, is it possible to put it together with just one person by yourself? And the answer is yes, but let me go ahead and go over how to put it together, as I just put it together by myself. I could have had my son help me a little bit, but didn't really need to. It's not that difficult to put it together. I wouldn't say I did the best. It'd be better if I had a flat surface, but don't really have one. Anyways, I'll show off the pool now. Here is the swimming pool, and I have one of the Power Steel ones. Walmart has a bunch of different ones. I think this is the 42 inch by 15, what is it, 15 inch or 18 inch? I don't even remember, but they have a bunch of different ones. This is the middle of the road. I could have spent another $100 to get another 6 inches of depth, but I was like, let's save a little bit, and it should work well enough, I think. But anyways, so how to put it together. I didn't put everything together yet. I'm sure the filter's not going to be that big of a deal, but I haven't started working on that. But it's pretty simple. The thing you really do is you put on all these things all the way around it to start with. So you have this little clicky thing underneath. You put it in there, and then you push this button and put it in there, and you go all the way around with it. And it's pretty easy to do it by yourself. And then after that, well, what is after that? Well, you gotta lay it down and whatnot, find a place for it. And then you put these bars, and well, you wanna make sure to put that behind there and put these in and put these little leg things on there. I don't know if I did it 100% right, but it's pretty easy to put it together by yourself. I would suggest having someone that knows what they're doing if you have somebody, but if not, do what I did. See, you got the leg that's really kind of bum. I don't even know if it's gonna stay up because of stuff like this. And we'll see. I'm filling it up, and we'll see if it all just flows out. But completely put it together myself. And this is pretty easy to put together too. Ladder, obviously, easy to put together by yourself. And then you've got this left over. I just have the pump to put together. But if you are doing it yourself, and like I said, nobody else to put it together, or I guess it could be, how many people does it take to put together this swimming pool from Walmart, or the swimming pools that they have, the Coleman Steel Pro series? It just takes one person. You can accomplish it on your own. There's some spots that get a little bit difficult, last little bit of it. Put the last two in. I don't even know how to explain it. I just jerry rigged it in and got it all the way in. And then those are about even with that spot. It's possible to put it together by yourself for sure, but I wouldn't suggest it, as it could turn out like this pool. And I would try to find a flat surface. I only went with here because that's where my roommate was like, that's a good spot for it. And I'm like, well, it's not exactly the flattest, but I guess it might work. Anyways, it's gonna be it for this video. Hope that helps some of you guys out that don't have anybody to help you put a swimming pool together, but you thought you'd go ahead and try yourself, and you were worried that you couldn't do it yourself. But it's possible. It says 2 to 3 people to hold it up or to put all the bars in, but you just put one in and then put it there, and then go to the other side, put another one in. It'll stay up by itself. Not a big deal. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.